not going for another tune badly.
Yeah.
Hola.
We're here, getting car meets. There's some sick cars, much bigger than last time. There's loads, isn't there? That's Lewis. One of my friends has come along today. I get carried away with this guy. Should we have a little butcher's? Daisy's with us as well. Look at these cars. Another MR2. Mine over there. I really don't know what this guy's doing. Let's go look at some cars.
We've lost dancing. This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. We've lost the hugs with friends and people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. We've lost dancing. If I can live through, we've lost dancing. This next 6 months, we've lost dancing. Day by day, we've lost dancing. If I can live through this, we've lost dancing. What comes next will be marvelous.
Jay, do you want to say hello to the YouTube?
What's going on?
This is Jay.
What's up with him?
Organiser all this shit.
And Daryl. He's the helper.
Make sure you give him a follow. You impressed with today so far?
Yeah, it's been pretty good, man.
It's decent,
very
man.
good turnout. A bit chaotic earlier when all the cars are here.
There was literally no space to move.
It's settled down a bit now, hasn't it?
Getting this raffle done in a minute, yeah.
Yeah, we've got the raffle, some British
decent.
touring car tickets given away.
Oh shit, I forgot about that.
Yeah, mate. Did you get a ticket?
No?
You're gonna get one.
Oh, kill hell.
You get a ticket. You get a candle. Daryl, you can't fucking rip these, mate. Alright.
Yeah, that's alright.
179.
Thank you.
Did you get a ticket, boys? There you go.
179.
Win a ticket, mate.
I've always wanted to go British Touring Car Championship.
Did you enter the Wheel Wednesdays competition as well?
Yeah, we did that, yeah.
That's going to be revealed here as well.
Decent.
We can do that. The rules are pretty simple. If you've been involved in the Wheel Wednesday competition, you must both be following Kent Car Meets and Curb Wheels. And you tag a mate, it's that simple. We get that nice, come on, film this. These are the people that have tagged their mates, so we're just going to click on a random person. Okay, we got a winner, I think. Where's Josh Fuller at? That's you, mate. Congratulations, brother.
Cheers, mate.
Well done, well done. Darryl, get his details. Get him in touch with Curb Wheels. Free wheel refurbishment for that gentleman right there.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
What did you think?
Yeah, it was good, mate.
Good, mate. Very good, mate. Very impressed.
Fake taxi.
Right, we're off.
Mate, thank you so much.
No
Look forward
worries,
to the footage, man.
Yeah, it'll be wicked.
Nice to see you, man.
You too.
All the best. Don't mind. So the Halloween special will be next. Special. Halloween.
Yeah.
Halloween special.
Hello.
Tell your nan.
Oh no, this one, we was really impressed with this one, to be fair.
It's been good, isn't it?
Nice, cleared
Let us
out.
know when the video's done.
Yeah.
Share it in that.
I've got like 2 or 3, well no, 2 to edit at the minute. We did a fitting of my exhaust in the MR2, but all the files got corrupted. I was fuming, so all that fucking work for nothing, basically.
Yeah.
But
hopefully there's enough money.
That's right. Might be another video of him breaking down on the way home, yeah?
yeah, auxiliary
That's
belt's just
nice.
gone funny. See you later.
See you later on, cheers, man.
So yeah, that was the meat. Really good, really impressed. Burgers were delicious as always.
Yeah,
So-
Tom's going to break down.
I'm going to break down on the way home probably. So yeah, I guess we'll see you in a bit. If not, like the video, subscribe, show some love, turn your notifications on. Say hello to the dog. Bye dog. See ya.